Linkages with other service providers is essential. Within the health setting, linkages with VCTC, PPTCT, ART Center, HIV-related care and support, and other services is essential. We are now at a clinic that serves FSWs. Let us see how it is linked with other service providers.
It is just not enough for community members to visit the clinic. They are counselled to visit referral centers for further investigations if necessary.
We have referral linkages with different organizations, different hospitals. For example, when I saw that patient, she wanted to go for an HIV checkup. So I have just told her to go to VCTC center, and it is not just referral by per se. We have accompanied referral system. We have a referral slip like this. This is a referral slip. I write on this the details. This portion is torn, and this is not given to the patient, but it is given to the accompanying person.
Once the patient is referred to the VCTC, counselling and testing is done in full confidentiality.
We get referral forms like this. There are 3 such forms. 1 form is retained at the community clinic. 2 forms are sent here. And once the forms are sent along with the commercial sex workers, they call up and inform us that so many patients have been sent here. Then after that, we do the pre-test counselling, take their consent, and then do the testing. And after testing, we record the results in our VCTC report form like this. And it's got, and nowhere the patient's name is mentioned. Even in the referral form, it's just the number, but there's no patient's number, just the ID number. And even here, there is no name mentioned. So this form is put in an envelope and given to the patient, and the patient takes this to the community clinic, and this is handed over to the doctor. Once they go to the community clinic, we also call the doctor to find out whether they have gone back with the report or not.
Patients who have tested positive are referred to the ART center for treatment.
We have got excellent linkages with sex workers community clinic. We get lot of patients here. Those patients are being referred from the clinic. The doctor there examines for studies, and if they are found out to be positive, they are referred to this center through their field workers. And after here the patients are evaluated, and after evaluating, if they are found to be fit to start on ART, we put them on ART, give adherence counselling, and again we refer back the patients to the same clinic. This will help us in the long run for good ART adherence.
Care and support for the community members and their children who may also have tested positive is another important link.
We will get the referrals from community clinic, and we will treat them equally without any stigma and discrimination, and feedback will be given through the patient attenders to the physicians, otherwise through the peer educators. Similarly, we also treat the children of sex workers referred from community clinic.
In HIV, TB is the most opportunistic infection. Those affected with TB are also referred to test for HIV.
This core population and the peer educators, what they are doing is, they are identifying TB symptomatics or chest symptomatics among their core population group, and as well as the peer educators, and they are referring them to DMCs, wherein they get diagnosed. After getting diagnosed, they start the treatment in their own institution wherever they are working.
Referral plays an important role in the health of the community.
My name is Shekhar. I am HIV positive past 20 years. I am in the ART. I take medicine in the government hospital. I am not stopped the medicine. I continue to take care of my health. I am still now, I am happy life living. In NGOs and CBOs, community-based organization and non-government organization, motivate that refers to government hospital, to ART and opportunity infection medicine available there, and VCT center.
In the the TI guideline, referral is a vital link for the community to get health facilities round the corner. This benefits the community to access medical facilities with supervision and care.